Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Claude with TradingView using the connector system where Claude automatically asks for permission when it needs access. There's no direct manual linking between TradingView and Claude. Instead, the connection is triggered when you ask Claude to analyze or work with TradingView data. To start, open TradingView and go to the chart you want to use, such as crypto, forex, or stocks. Now switch to Claude and start a new chat. Here's the important part. Instead of connecting manually, you simply make a request like analyze my TradingView chart and give me a trading breakdown based on the latest data. So if your account has TradingView connectors enabled, Claude will automatically detect that it needs access, and at this point, Claude will show a prompt asking you to connect TradingView. Click connect or allow and you'll be redirected to a permission screen where you approve access. Once you allow it, Claude can now pull TradingView data directly depending on what the connector supports in your account. After connection, you can repeat your request and Claude will analyze charts, indicators, or market data through the linked service. If the connection prompt does not appear, it means TradingView connectors are not enabled on your account yet, or the feature is not available in your region. In that case, the system will fall back to manual upload methods like screenshots or copied chart data.